welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hello. I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist, but today we're gonna create some super easy, sleek looking hairstyles. These are, by the way, my favorite ones, and also let me know in comments down below which one is your favorite as well. These are easy to make for every special occasion or every day. Guys, if we'll have, say, 100 likes, promise you I'll make next part on sleek everyday hairstyles or special occasion. On my YouTube channel I have a lot of more hairstyles, make sure to check them out as well. But without rambling, let's get started right into our super easy sleek hairstyles. So let's get started.
So we'll begin with our new version of a French twist. So basically we'll grab our top section like I'm showing and we'll make with it a high ponytail. Then with the rest we want to make a ponytail as well. Now grabbing a donut bun, we want to tie it in the middle using a clear elastic. Now we want to bring through the openings of our donut bun. We want to bring our ponytails and then bring them to one side and tie them using a clear elastic. This way we will fix it. And to fix it better in place, I use some bobby pins as well. This is a great option for those with heavy hair. Then we want to bring our hair to one side. You can use some hairspray to fix your hair that is sticking out, and then we want to tie the ends using a clear elastic. If your hair is longer than mine, make sure to tie your hair halfway through when tying with a clear elastic, and you want to tuck it into the bun, the elastic, with the ends as well. Make sure to smooth out your created bun so there are no bumps showing. So there is everything nice and smooth. You can use more bobby pins if you need to fix your bun in place. And yes, you're done. For the next French bun, we want to tie our hair into a very high sleek ponytail. Then using a clear elastic and bring two bobby pins to the opposite sides of our elastics. We want to pin it over our ponytail like I'm showing. Then grabbing our same donut bun, we want to bring it over our ponytail and pin it from the sides like I'm showing. Then bringing all your hair back, we want to smooth it out using a comb and tie it using a clear elastic. And as I said before, if your hair is longer, make sure to tie your hair halfway through and tuck it into the bun inside the elastic and the ends, and pin it in place using several bobby pins. Make sure to use some hairspray to make it smooth looking for all day long. And then basically done. Cute, right?
I hope that you enjoyed this video so far. If you do, don't forget to put a thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and bell button so you'll be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. But that's it for today. Love you lots. Mwah. Bye.